Organic compounds are the chemical backbones of life on Earth, and their significance spans across multiple scientific and industrial domains. This compound primarily composed of carbon atoms bonded with elements such as hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur, and phosphorus, and are involved in an array of biological, chemical, and technological processes. This versatility and diversity of organic compounds have led to countless applications which influence the medicine, agriculture, energy production, environmental sustainability. And these are some of the significance of organic compounds. Building blocks of life. Organic compounds are essential to the very fabric of life. They form the structural framework and functional components of all living organisms. The most fundamental organic molecules in biology include proteins, lipids, carbohydrates, and nucleic acid as DNA and RNA. Proteins are large molecules that are made up of chains of amino acids. They play a variety of critical roles in living organisms, including acting as enzymes that speed up chemical reactions, supporting the structure of cells and tissues, and serving as antibodies that fight off infections. Lipids, which include fats, oils, and cholesterol, are crucial in storing energy, insulating the body, and making up cell membranes, which protect cells and regulate the movement of substances in and out. The carbohydrates are organic compounds which serve as a primary source of energy. Carbohydrates such as glucose are broken down in cellular respiration to produce ATP, that's adenosine triphosphate, with power cellular functions. The DNA and RNA are nucleic acid organic molecules that store and transmit genetic information. In the case of DNA, it holds information or instruction for building proteins, while RNA translates the instructions and play a role in protein synthesis. The primary source of energy, organic compounds, especially carbohydrates and lipids, are main energy sources for living organisms. Carbohydrates on its own, the simple carbohydrate like glucose, are most immediate and easily accessible form of energy through cellular respiration. Glucose is converted into ATP, the molecule that provides energy for all cellular activities from muscle contraction to nerve impulse transmission. Lipid itself serves as a long-term energy storage molecules when carbohydrates are not readily available. Fats provide more than twice the energy per gram compared to carbohydrates, making them essential to organisms that require sustained energy release, such as hibernating animals. For the use in medicine and pharmaceutical use or industry, organic compounds form the core in making most of the drugs for the over-the-counter pain relievers to complex treatment for cancer. These organic molecules are designed to interact with biological system in such a specific way. For example, the antibiotics, such as penicillin, that they inhibit the growth of bacteria, and then the analgesic, the pain killers, like ibuprofen and aspirin, are organic compounds that work by inhibiting the enzymes responsible for inflammation, thus reducing pain and swelling. Many chemotherapy drugs, such as doxorubicin, are organic compounds that disrupt the growth of division of cancer cells. Steroid hormones like estrogen and testosterone are organic molecules used in hormone replacement therapies. The synthetic version of these hormones are developed to treat conditions ranging from infertility to hormone imbalances. In agricultural for agricultural use, organic compounds play crucial roles by improving crop yields and protecting plants from pests and diseases. And these are accomplished by the use of organic-based pesticide, herbicide, and fertilizers. Organic pesticides like organophosphates and carbamates control harmful insects that threaten crop. This compound helps farmer reduce crop losses and ensure food security. The herbicide, which are organic, like glyphosate, are used to eliminate unwanted plants or weeds that compete with crops for sunlight, water, and nutrients. Herbicide helps to increase the efficiency of agricultural production by reducing the need for manual weeding. Organic compounds such as urea and ammonium nitrate provide essential nutrients like nitrogen to plants, promoting growth and increasing yield. These fertilizers are vital in addressing the growing demands for food due to increased global population. Organic compounds also are basis for synthetic polymer, and these polymers are large molecules that are made by linking together small organic molecules. These polymers have numerous industrial and everyday applications. For example, plastic, which one can pinpoint polyethylene, polypropylene, PVC, that's polyvinyl chloride, are common plastics used in packaging, construction, electronics, and household products. These polymers are lightweight, durable, and moldable, making them incredibly versatile materials in various industries. Organic compounds like nylon, polyester, and acrylic are used to produce synthetic fibers, which are commonly found in clothing, carpeting, and upholstery. These fibers offer durability, resistance to wrinkles, and ease of maintenance compared to natural fiber like cotton and wool. Synthetic rubber made from organic compounds like styrene, butadiene rubber (SBR) is widely used in automobile tires, industrial belts, and footwear. Synthetic rubber has excellent resistance to wear and tear, making it an ideal material for high stress application. Many organic compounds serve as catalysts for biochemical reactions in living organisms. In other words, they speed up reactions that would otherwise proceed too slowly to sustain life. For example, the enzymes, which are proteins, and they act as catalysts in accelerating chemical reactions within cells. For example, enzyme amylase catalyzes the breakdown of starches into sugar during digestion. Without enzyme, vital processes like metabolism would occur at a much slower rate, making life unsustainable. The coenzymes are also organic compounds like vitamins, for example, vitamin B12. It's essential for the function of enzyme involved in DNA synthesis and the formation of red blood cells. The pleasing scents in perfumes and the flavor in food are a result of organic compounds, particularly the esters, aldehydes, and ketones. Organic esters are responsible for the aromatic fragrances used in perfumes and cosmetics. For example, isoamine acetate, an ester gives a banana-like scent, and it is used in both food flavoring and perfumes. Flavoring, aldehyde and ketones contribute to the flavors of many foods. For instance, the vanillin and aldehyde gives vanilla its distinctive flavor, while the menthone, a ketone, contributes to the minty flavor of peppermint. Many dyes and pigments used in textiles, paints, and plastic are organic compounds too. These compounds provide vibrant and long-lasting colors that are essential in industries ranging from fashion to art. The azo dye, for example, are synthetic dyes that contain nitrogen to nitrogen double bonds, giving them a wide range of colors. They are commonly used in textile leathers and plastics. Organic pigments such as chlorophyll in plants and hemoglobin in blood play a vital role in biological synthesis. Chlorophyll enables photosynthesis in plants, while hemoglobin carries oxygen in the blood. Many organic compounds serve essential nutrients for human health. Without them, key biological functions would not be able to proceed efficiently. The vitamins are organic compounds, and these organic compounds required in small amount to support various physiological functions. Vitamin C, which is ascorbic acid, is crucial for the collagen formation and wound healing. Vitamin D regulates calcium and phosphorus, ensuring healthy bones. The amino acid, which happen to be the building block of proteins, are also required for the tissue repair, muscle growth, and synthesis of enzymes and hormones. Fatty acids like omega 3, omega 6 fatty acids are essential organic compounds that play critical roles in brain function, inflammation regulation, and cellular membrane integrity. Organic compounds are the primary constituent of fossil fuel, that's the crude oil, and renewable biofuel, producing the energy that powers modern society. Fossil fuel, the coal, the oil, the natural gases are composed of hydrocarbons, organic compounds, which are made up of hydrogen and carbon. They undergo what we call combustion, they burn, and when they burn, they release energy that is used for generating electricity, heating, and transportation. The biofuel, also such as ethanol and biodiesel, are produced from renewable biological sources like plants and animal fats. These biofuels serve as alternative to fossil fuel, providing a more sustainable energy source. These organic compounds also play a dual role in an in our environment as both pollutants and agents of ecosystem recovery. As pollutants, some certain organic compounds such as polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons (PH) and volatile organic compounds (VOC) are harmful pollutants. For pH are byproducts of incomplete combustion and can accumulate in ecosystem, posing risk to human health and wildlife. VOCs contribute to the air pollution and are precursors to ozone formation in the atmosphere, which can lead to respiratory problems. On the positive side, organic compounds also play a role in the natural decomposition of waste. Organic matter such as plant residues and animal waste decomposes through microbial activity, returning essential nutrients to the soil and contributing to the cyclic of carbon and nitrogen in the ecosystem. Organic compounds, particularly nucleotides and amino acids, are central to the field of biotechnology and genetic engineering. Organic compounds are used to alter DNA sequences in organic organisms, and the biotechnology also has enabled the development of bioengineered drugs such as recombinant insulin, which is produced by genetically modified bacteria. So organic compounds are also used in production of biofuels, bioplastic, and enzymes for industrial applications, offering more sustainable and eco-friendly alternatives. So many things organic compound can do, and incredibly, they are versatile and indispensable in numerous aspects of life, industry, and the environment. Their roles are fundamental components of biological systems, energy sources, medicine, industrial materials, agriculture, and environmental agents, as highlighted. And they are unparalleled significance in the modern world. Understanding these properties and utilizing them can make us to continue to innovate in the field that have been mentioned.